Yeah.
Hi guys. Hi guys. So I think I have picked up the courage yokukhuluma nabantu go social media after all this trending that I didn't see coming. Okokuqala nje, I just wanna apologize to uphakela ngoku expose i-privacy yakhe, because I mean, if that picture of mine was not somewhere on Facebook, I don't think ukuthi besizofika kule stage esikuso, and I know ukuthi ubaba wemizi nabafazi bakhe and all that. So that was just by the way. I'm sorry about that. But manje ke a lot is happening on social media, and a lot is being said as in a manga that I have to defend myself. King Zile, ngiyakuhlonipha bhuti wami, I respect you a lot, because you say you are standing for humanity, you are standing for African and everything. And I am an African woman, and I am a Zimbabwean. I'm part of the people that you are actually fighting for. But unknowingly, you are now fighting me and attacking me. You don't have facts of whatever you are accusing me for. Fine, isithombe sami usithathile and you managed to attack uphakela usebenzisa, which is fine. You are winning that side, but what about my side? Because King Zile Zaile government, that's what you call yourself. I respect you, my brother. The fact that you are a patriot for Africans and against the xenophobia and everything, or Lwelama Africans and all that, I do respect you a lot, actually. And I didn't know about you. I would have been somebody that will follow you and share and be part of whatever you are doing, because I mean, but now you are losing it, because you're supposed to be fighting with xenophobia and obanbani, but now you are fighting me, a Zimbabwean and an African woman, for baseless things. I'm affected now and everything. Number one, I'm no longer in a relationship, no Pagela, right? But you went and published whatever you published and got retrends and everything. And you don't even know the situation of the relationship enginayo mina nophakela manje. Do you understand what I'm saying? Ukuthi ime kanjani? And at the same time, I'm even in a position yokuthi it looks like I'm working with you. I actually sent you my pictures so that you can expose or phakela and everything, of which I'm not part of. Angazi ukuthi izithombe zami uzithethe kuphi. It's only you that knows ukuthi izithombe zami uzithethe kuphi, and then posted them. I did not give them to you. But manje, being a man, you are bullying me for no reason. You are accusing me for immigration, what. I'm not, I don't work with immigration. I don't do permits for I don't know ukuthi le information uyithathaphi uze ukhulume ngayo, and you call yourself government. If you are really somebody like that, why haven't you known ukuthi mina I don't do immigration things? I don't do that. Akuna muntu noyedwa esengimenzele iSlam, unless they come up and speak for themselves. You just saw something on Facebook and assumed I'm doing it. I'm not doing any Islam for anybody. I spoke to some attorneys abadila ngama-permits, they help people, and ask them what would be the easiest and cheapest way to document people that are undocumented. That was last year in November, and they said to me, kukhona indlela abangasiza ngakhona abantu with islams, and I tried to speak to them and verify their facts, of which they did, and sent me their letters, and even told me ukuthi into zabo ziyahambe court, they go to court and all that. So it seemed legit to me, because I don't even know how it works, but I know that there are immigration lawyers that can help you apply your documents and everything. And when manje suthola umsebenzi, you have something to do, you can't just be bullying me like this, my brother. You are fighting for people abafana nami, and it won't make any sense if you are sacrificing me to the whole world just because ucabanga ukuthi ngithandana noPhakela. Angithandani noPhakela mina, sehlukene, like he said, sathandana sehlukana, so we're no longer together. So njengamanje I'm in between, ngapha uwe uPhakela wenza. So I mean, what I'm trying to say is that now I'm being bullied manje. You know, a man this side is doing a video about me. Now when I video I think you have something better to do. Yabo. I also got men that cares for me. If you understand what I'm saying? So I don't want this to continue. That's why I'm sending you this video. If you need my number to talk to me, or Uzana Mapoisa or whatever, can you do it and just stop dragging my name on the social media? Angtandi. Yeah, but it's not working for me. It's not working for my business. It's not working for my personality. Rather, let me be part of what you are doing. Already, I'm Africans and everything. I can support you fully. I can be part of your march and everything. But you dragging me for no reason. Empeleni, there's no reason. Angithandani noPhakela, angenzi mina migration kwathini. But right now, ama enemies wabo laba abantu be-xenophobia and everything, they will think for real mina ngumfazi kaPhakela, and then I will be a target. You understand? Of brutality, of whatsoever. They are tracking my kids, are all over social media and all those things. I mean, there was no need for this, my brother. There wasn't. So ngiyacela ukuthi lento niyeke nje, ngicela ningayenza ama video ngami. Lo chazile ukuthi akasathandani nami, it's fine. Ngicela kungasabi nama video again about me on social media from men. You guys are just abusing my peace for no reason. And then to all the Zimbabwean journalists, you're getting it so wrong. I'm not in a relationship with this guy anymore. So you guys are fighting him and me at the same time for no reason. You understand? Now I'm in the middle, because it's not like I'm in love with him or I'm getting it. So my fellow Zimbabwean brothers, the journalists and everything, or I'm trying to say to you guys, it's not fair. Because right now you should be attacking Labantu, but you're no longer attacking them. I know on Twitter everybody is talking about me and everything, but I'm innocent. Angithandani naye, one. Number two, I don't do immigration things. So ngicela niye ukukhuluma nami, because right now I'm abused by everybody. You know, my peace is taken by all social media. Ngapho I have to deal with everyone. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know, lo muntu yi-ex yami, so there's nothing good that will come out between me and him ngalesi sikhathi lesi, especially if he thinks that probably I intended to give out his pictures and all those kind of things, because I had to protect his privacy, but I failed, you know, and now it's leading to this. That is a fault that I'm taking. But I shouldn't get beatings that are not meant for me. You know, I'm not dating this guy. Ngikho relationship naye. Angiyenzi immigration mina. So don't talk things as in affects. If niti me, bring one person Islam, or you know, let's take it from there. Because you can't. I mean, you can't. I just wanted to address this, and this is my sister, this is my family. You know what I'm saying? I've got kids around me. What their phones are, it's just me everywhere. I'm not gonna kill myself. I won't, but just stop it. It's okwanele senipruvile lawo ma point so okwanele. Pinky, what do you want to say?
I just want to say to this king, the government or whatever, any information that you got, my brother, it's not true because we're not sure what we stated. Let's try to refrain them because so manje my sister
Mazayizai ase South Africa kanye namambuka ase South Africa ukuthi uphakela umthakathi umuntu ojolayo noma mhlambe uganiwe eZimbabwe noma engaganwa eNigeria noma engaganwa eCongo noma engaganwa mhlambe eGhana akukushintsha ukuthi labantu abamlandelayo noma mhlambe labantu abamesekayo kulento akakhuluma ngayo ukuthi akuhambe laba uze sikwazi ukulungisa inkinga esibhekene nayo. Sekufanele sikutshele ukuthi ngoba yena umuntu onobudlelwano obuya kulamazwe ongesiwo iSouth Africa cha niyaphazama kanza kwethu mhlambe ngicabanga kancane ngeke ngasho ngathi ikhanda malisefu umoya akululu yizwe le kubona konke labantu abalandela uphakela umthakathi noma kulabantu abaseka uphakela umthakathi kulento ayizamayo ukuthi okay asibafudule laba bangaphandle kwamanje sibavikele ngoba ukubavikela kahle kahle ukuthi bengangithelwa amachaphazelo eindabeni zethu nohulumeni wethu ngoba kufuneka silwe lempi ephakathi kwethu nohulumeni wethu ngesikhathi siyilwa ababe ngaphandle ke bona silwe kahle kungekho umuntu ozosiphazamisa ofana nabo simseka ngoba nathi iqobo lethu siyafuna ukuyilungisa leyo nto leyo asinanxa asilwi asixabene futhi nabantu bangaphandle uma kuthi ubhuti uphaka umthakathi unomfazi waseZimbabwe ngiyajabula kakhulu nami iqobo lami ngiyamfisa nje waseZimbabwe umfazi ayikho into ethi sixabene nabantu baseZimbabwe asizi izitha okwamanje siyacela bethu ukufuduka bese bebuya ke isimo masithi right sebebuya ngendlela right nakhona hayi le abafike ngayo ngoba kubona akubona bonke abeze ngendlela right la uma nizobhacekisa mhlambe ngamaphutha akawenzile noma ngezinto akayishilo zaba ngamaphutha phakela umthakathi nicabanga ukuthi mhlambe leyo nizonisebenzela noma izovimba noma izosithunaza amandla thina esithi siyameseka aseseki yena ngoba sithanda yena kepha sithanda lento akakhuluma ngayo hlezi sifisa ukisho siswela amandla ukisho mina umuntu ongazi uyongivakazela ngiwumuntu okholelwa kakhulu kumculo waseAfrika wonkana ngiwudlala wonke ngaba iCongo Koffi Olomide ngiyabadlala ngaya ko longana ko Nigeria ko Zimbabwe Japraise ngiyadlala wonke umculo nje okhona ngiyawuthanda umculo wangaphandle kahle kahle okay umculo wangaphandle waseSouth Africa ngiwone nguthanda kakhulu kuno waseSouth Africa kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi sekufanele ngithi abantu bangaphandle abazobulala izwe lethu uphakela umthakathi lento ayenza lapha ikhomba ukuvikela noma ikhomba ubudoda umuntu wesilisa ophikisa leyanto esho uphakela umthakathi yazi ukuthi sitabana noma after 9 lelo akusiyindoda ngokwanele kukho into wrong ngayo or kukho into eshodayo ngayo lo muntu akakwazi ukuphikisa leyanto leya ngoba asibaxoshe futhi asibazondi uma kuukuthi ubhuti uphakela umthakathi ugani weZimbabwe uthatha umfazi eZimbabwe umfazi ke uyala akagane khona akubi ukuthi umfazi ula kubo nala akaganele khona nendoda yakho yiyona ezomgane iyona ezangapha akubi kanjalo so uright mayithatha umfazi eZimbabwe siyakujabulela lokho osibali bethu asinankinga nakho nani bosisi bethu enibona ku wrong mhlawumbe kuba la kwama foreigner or nibona ku wrong ukuthi thina sithi a wrong ngokubala ama foreign hambani nawo ngithi niganile niwaganile asinanxa nokuthi niwaganile sinenxa nokuthi nina niwagana niqede niwalethe la ekhaya umuntu bayiyogana uyakhishwa kubo hamba nawe mawugane eGhana hamba khona mawugane eTanzania hamba khona asinankinga akuliwa kahle le ndayi seyimpi yinini niyenza impi ngenxa ukuthi amakhandeni asefumoyo anifuna ukulalela nizwe ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani la sifuna ukulwa no government okhohlakele owasimoshayo owasikhohlisa from 94 until now asikwazi ukulwa naye kusena ama foreigner ngaphakathi ecountry yethu isicelo kuphele bese sicela kunina siyacela kanza kwethu nithi gudlu nina abangaphandle bese kusala thina abasekhaya siyixoxe lento kufanele siyixoxe emveni kokuyixoxa seniyavuleleka futhi niyabuya siyaqhubeka siyaphila nizobuya ngendlela right ningasabuyi ngale ndlela nifike ngayo baningi abantu abafike ngendlela ongesiyo kunabantu abafike ngendlela okuyiyo la eSouth Africa ngithanda ukubhubha necheck ngidlala ngeqinisa nginesi ama feelings
asilalanga lapha ku social media uthiwa unonkosikazi ngapha Bulawayo ngabe kanjani lo ngasichaza kanjani lo daba kanjalo
okay okokuqala nje sicela ukubonga abantu base South Africa ngesupport ngicela ukunibonga nonke abantu base South Africa ngesupport kuhlale kukhona ukuthi uma usebenza wenza into ephilayo kuhlale kukhona labo abangabathakathi abathandazela ukuthi kungathi kungonakala lokho okwenzayo. Kwesinye isikhathi kuze kwenziwe ngisho yibo labo osuke usebenza nabo uhamba nabo kube yibo abanomona. Kwesinye isikhathi phela abanisebenza amandla walingana, kuyenzeka ukuthi nenze into eyodwa, niqashwe umsebenzi owodwa, nihola imali efanayo, nibheke endaweni eyodwa, nifuna into eyodwa, kodwa manje amandla angalingana. So kokunye uthola ukuthi kwabona labo abantu osuke usebenza nabo abanye babo bagcina sebenomona, bese kuba ngabantu ke nje okungafanele abantu besethusi. Ningalokuthi nethuke abantu base South Africa bahlukene phakathi ngalento yabantu bokufika khona bayesekayo. Ngisho abaholi siyababona abanye benza njalo, abanye baqashile, ngisho amakhosi ayithulele njalo nje. Angaze ngibe nomfazi eZimbabwe, angeke ngize ngibe nomfazi eZimbabwe. Ngake ngaba nayo intombi engangiyithanda, kodwa ngabona ukuthi hayi angeke kulunge, ngase ngihoshe inyawo. Futhi ngaphambi kokuthi leyo ntombi ngikhulume nayo, ngenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngibuke ukuthi izinto zayo zokuba la ezweni ziqondile yini. Angifuni ke ngoba mina ngithi mase ngehlukene nomuntu bese ngibabhitha, bese ngihambe ngenza izinto ezirong. Kodwa uma ngabe kuqhubeka kulokhu kuvela izinto ezingezinhle kanje, kuzofanele kube khona izinto engiyivezayo eziwubufakazi bokuthi ngempela akuyona i-relationship eyake yaba into eserious. Kwaba kuyi-relationship nje ukuthi mhlambe umuntu phela umthanda uya ubuka ukuthi ubheke la ubheke khona. Uma ubona akabhekile la ubheke khona uyayihlehle njengendoda, uhlehle ngendlela futhi enhle, akho nzondo, akho lutho. Kodwa futhi ukube kuthiwa phela mina ngivikela abantu bokufika, ukube kuthiwa kukhulunywa ngokuthi kanti uphakela sonke lesi sikhathi nje evikela abantu bokufika ingoba unentombi eZimbabwe ngoba kezwa kabe. Nangale kwalokho ake sithi wagana ke lo muntu, engane ngabe uganile phela, ake sithi ngabe wagana, ngabe uganile. Yikho sithi umuntu othanda umuntu akayi lapha athanda khona. Nathi abantu esibathathile balapha bakhona khona. Nginabo abafazi, mina anginayo umfazi waseZimbabwe, angeke ngibe naye futhi.
Sibuka usondele usuku banga ngomhla ka-30 June
2026 umile awujiki abahambe. Ziningi izinto ezizokwenzeka ngomhla ka-30 June kodwa
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Ex-girlfriend yaphekela umthakathi yaseZimbabwe uBekezela Dube finally breaks her silence ngemva kokuthi kube khona ama-videos akhe naphakela umthakathi la circulator kwelapha enkundleni yokuxhumana nema-picture abantu bakhulume ngayo ke naleyo picture naleyo video ngokuthi ayibona ngophakela umthakathi athi akuhambe ama-foreigner uqosha ama-foreigner eSouth Africa kube naye he was smashing a Zimbabwean girl. Actually people didn't even say ukuthi they were smashing, they said ukuthi umfati wakhe this lady umfati owaphakela umthakathi ukhulumile ku video la inditolo asho ukuthi akase lo sesilowabe umfati wakhe bekayi girlfriend yakhe, they were dating. Washo nokusho ukuthi wabona ukuthi hayibo into yabo ngeke izilunge phela wabese uyamshiya. Washo ukuthi yena ngasoze wathatha umfati waseZimbabwe, bonke abafati bakhe bala South Africa, senzweni ukuthi uphakela umthakathi unesithembu ukuthi bonke abafati bakhe bala South Africa. Yena naBekezela bebathishushela nje batidlalela. So Bekezela uyasho ukuthi yaqolisa abafatini baphakela umthakathi because sekuze kwaba khona ama-pictures abo la security ke enkundleni yokuxhumana indoda akudzala, they were dating before, not manje. So uyasho nokuthi abantu ucela bayekele kumdreka, bayekele kumkhuluma kabe enkundleni yokuxhumana. Yena naphakela umthakathi they are no longer together. Nje wasibonile ukuthi lama-pictures la bekawapostile ugela ma-pictures akudzala Nkosi yami, vele indiyabo bekuyinto yakudzala. So bantu bamdefenda kuphakela umthakathi ukuthi kungani bantu bafune ukuthi bente this thing a big issue, bafune kumenda ngazuthi ulmenemene wayacosha ama-foreigners kube naye he was smashing a Zimbabwean lady. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.